This was the bucket shirt.
Alright, let's try to get that fixed. I'm going to start this repair by marking 2 rows of dots on the material I'm sewing. And here is the same thing on a sheet of paper so that you can get a better idea of what it looks like. We're going to take these 2 sides and sew them together, right? There are my dots. Here I have the same thing. I just folded creases where the dots go. So to start, I'm going to poke in with my stitching awl. And then I'm going to poke back out. Okay. Pull my string through. Same thing on the other side. Poke in. And we'll poke back out. Pull my string through. And this string needs to be as long as the repair is, plus a little more, so that you can tighten a knot at the end. Now I'll pull this one out, and we'll go to the next line of dots. There we go. And from the top, out to that second hole. Now I need to pull a little window into my string here, and then I'm going to feed that original one that I pulled for the length, and I'm going to pull it through. There we go. Straighten that out. Now I'm going to pull this back out, and then there's my pattern. I'm going to keep doing that over and over again. Let me zoom in so you can see. Poke in, poke out, poke in, poke out, make a little window, there's my window, and then feed my string through. There's my window. Okay. Now when it's time to pull everything tight, I'm going to pull all the excess string through. There we go. Keep pulling out the slack until I get to the end, and that's where I'll tie off my knot. But because of these double holes, it makes a nice finished seam.